Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Call of Duty Warzone getting stuck on the checking for update screen. First, open the launcher you use to play the game. If you are using battle.net, click the gear icon next to play and select Scan and Repair. If you are using Steam, open your library, right-click Call of Duty, select Properties, go to Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the scan to finish, then launch the game again. If the problem continues, reset the game's local settings. Close the game and launcher completely. Open File Explorer and go to your Documents folder. Find the folder named Call of Duty and delete it. This only removes local settings, and the game will create a fresh folder the next time it starts. Next, refresh your network connection. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. Type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. This clears the DNS cache and can fix connection issues that prevent the game from checking for updates. Finally, change your DNS server to Google DNS. Type View Network Connections in the Windows search and open it. Right-click your active connection and open Properties, edit the IPv4 properties, and set the preferred DNS server to 8.8.8.8 and the alternate DNS server to 8.8.4.4. Save the changes, restart your computer, and launch Warzone again. Thanks for watching.